Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to do a little different of a video. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you know that majority of my videos are voiceover videos. I feel like I'm hella awkward, but I know a lot of people want me to start doing more get ready with me videos, vlogs and stuff like that. So I'm actually going to start vlogging as well. I have to go somewhere in a couple hours, so I figure why not just get ready on camera and get ready with you guys. I'm so awkward on camera, bro, like okay, I'm done. I know you guys want me to start doing get ready with me videos. You guys want me to start doing more vlog videos and stuff like that. I always laugh. I'm goofy as ever. Like, I'm probably the goofiest person ever. Currently 3:43. I'm going somewhere around 6 o'clock, so I have a couple hours to hurry up and get ready. I move very slow, but I'm just gonna do like a quick little 20-minute makeup look, and I'm gonna do my hair and get dressed on camera. Well, I'm not gonna literally get dressed on camera. You wish. I don't really know what I'm going to do to my hair today. Honestly, I'm probably gonna go ahead and do a bun or something super quick because it is pouring raining outside. I'm in Atlanta. If you don't know, I relocated from California to Atlanta in the beginning of the year. It is really pouring outside, and that's very upsetting because my outfit is so cute. Wow. As soon as I get out the shower, I like to lotion up, put on all my smell goods, including a couple of my favorite colognes. I like to spray before I get ready and obviously before I leave the house, because when I do my makeup, the smell just wakes me up. I really love high quality colognes and perfumes. Like, I usually do invest into very expensive colognes and perfumes. This perfume that I am using right now is actually very inexpensive, you guys, but it smells like it's expensive. These fragrances are from a company called Dossier. Their stuff literally smells so expensive. It reminds me actually of Chanel. So when I first opened the package, I have my cologne, and here's a little picture of the cologne that you receive. Nice and cute and sleek and simple. And this one is, okay, right when you open the box on the inside, it says the fair alternative to luxury perfumes. And I totally agree, because these fragrances smell so expensive. Every time I wear it, I literally smell like money. Made in France, risk-free order, vegan and cruelty-free, and it's made with all clean products and clean ingredients. So I think that's super cool. So I actually have two of their fragrances, and one of them is called Oriental One, and this one is made with jasmine, orange blossom, cedarwood, vanilla, coffee, mandarin, pear, and pink pepper, I think. I don't know. And the second one that I have is called Oriental Woody 3. It's iris, jasmine, pink pepper type of smell with vanilla, white musk, and patchouli. I think it's called patchouli, I don't know. And what I really love about Dossier products is when you order it, you'll also receive a little tiny sample spray that also comes with each cologne, and this one is the Woody 3. It also comes with the big one, so you get a sample for free. Try out the sample one to see if you like it before you unseal the bottle. And this is like a 50 milliliter bottle. Yeah, 50 milliliters. If you don't like the sample, you can return it. Also, another thing I really love about this packaging is the top. The fact that they have the magnetic top. Just like a lot of your favorite expensive colognes, it's made with magnetic tops. So the top is not gonna fall off. It literally attaches because it's a magnet. All of their fragrances are $29 a bottle. It actually lasts a long time because the spray is very misty. So not a lot comes out. Oh my God, this smells so good. I can't even explain to you guys how good this smells. Like, if you guys want to check out their affordable but luxury colognes, go ahead and check them out. I'll have all the details for Dossier in the description box down below. I literally wear them all the time, and I get compliments every time I wear them. I'm about to go ahead and start with my eyebrows, of course. I'm trying to hurry up, really. I have to hurry up and be somewhere in a couple hours. And this pencil that I'm using is literally a pencil from the beauty supply store. It costs like $1. I always use these to do my eyebrows. Sometimes I use the Anastasia dip pomade, but I don't know, sometimes I really don't be wanting to use it. And this is not my average full glam look. Just gonna do a quick little 15-25 minute beat real quick. I'm so mad that it's raining right now. Like, my outfit is so cute, but it's okay. It's always raining in Atlanta. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram yet, go ahead and make sure you do that. Follow me on Instagram. You don't want to miss anything. I'll have my Instagram and my Snapchat right here for you guys. You guys, I already washed my face. I put my vitamin E oil on my face. I always use vitamin E oil, even in the daytime. I used to only use it at nighttime, but I noticed when I use it in the daytime, I just apply a little bit, not a lot, because I don't want my makeup to look too greasy and shiny. So in the daytime, I literally apply like a drop of vitamin E oil with my vitamin C oil. And at nighttime, I actually like to apply a little bit more because it moisturizes my skin overnight. So I'm not going to use my drugstore foundation today. I'm actually going to use NARS Cosmetics foundation mixed with this foundation from Beauty Bakery. Just take 2 pumps, 2 tiny pumps, it's not even full pumps, of the Beauty Bakery, because I like this one a little more because it is darker. But this one balances it out because I feel like to get my true skin tone right now, since it's summertime especially, I have to use a little more of the darker one and like one little dab of the lighter. The foundation on my brush, I am going to go ahead and dab it. And I love how the color comes out when they mix together, you guys. Like, yeah, this is a great combo. This is probably one of my favorite foundation combos. NARS and Beauty Bakery. I'm gonna just brush my baby hairs back a little so they don't turn brown from my foundation. I hate when that happens. But guess what, y'all? Tomorrow, your girl is getting her hair done. I am getting a sew-in, and I'm about to be a whole new girl. I'm not gonna know how to act, okay? So now that my concealer is fully blended out, I'm just gonna take this translucent powder from Laura Mercier. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my setting powder to my under eye. Make sure everything is set in place. And I'm not much of a baking person, you guys. I don't apply my setting powder and let it sit. I literally put it on, and then I'm going to take my makeup brush and wipe it right off. It makes the makeup look kind of cakey, and I don't like a cakey look. I don't like that super matte finish, cakey look makeup that people like. I like a natural, slightly dewy makeup look. There's a few other steps that I skipped too, just because this is like a quick little beat. And when I put my highlight on, I just like to put it on the ridge of my nose, on my nostrils right here, a little bit under my eyebrows, on my cupid's bow, and of course on my cheekbones. I literally am obsessed with highlight, you guys. The highlight that I like to use is also a drugstore highlight, which is my go-to, my favorite highlight. It's by Maybelline, and it is called the Maybelline Master Chrome in color Molten Gold. I've always used this highlight, and you can find it at Walgreens or CVS or even Walmart and Target. It kind of look a little ratchet, so I don't really want to show y'all, but I'll show y'all. It broke, so don't talk about my highlighter. Let me put some chapstick on. This chapstick is by EOS, and it is sweet mint, and it smells so good. And then I am going to apply some of this pencil on the line of my lips. Honestly, out of all the questions I get about my makeup, this is probably the #1 thing people ask me. I've posted it actually on my Instagram story and my Snapchat many times before because people ask so much. So I am going to show you guys 2 of my favorite lipsticks, and they're both also by Maybelline. I literally love Maybelline, and this is their Super Stay Matte Ink. My favorite one is called Protector, and that is the darker one. I get asked about this lipstick so much. And the other one is called Composer, and this is actually the one I am going to use today. Okay, so now my makeup is basically finished. I'm not gonna do nothing else to my face. I'm just gonna leave it like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my hair. Like I said, I don't know what I'm about to do to my hair. I think I'm about to just put it in a bun really quickly. You know, I think I am gonna wear it down. I was gonna do a bun, but I'll wear it down. And I forgot I had this little ponytail that I put in the top of my head. And for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you know that I recently cut my hair, maybe like 2 months ago. I cut 4 inches of my hair off. I feel like the longer my hair was starting to get, the more flat it was getting. Like, I feel like when it's shorter, it's not as heavier, so it's bigger once it dries. But once it gets longer, it gets flatter, and that kind of weighs it down a little bit. Take my favorite edge control, which is the Cream of Nature Perfect Edges edge control with argan oil in it, and I'm gonna go ahead and lay these edges down real quick, you know, real quick or whatever. I'm actually about to go to a dinner and get some food because I'm hungry. So I'm actually just gonna leave it like this. And yeah, so I'm about to go hurry up and get dressed, and now I'm gonna come back and show y'all my outfit. So I'll be right back. And my outfit is Fashion Nova, of course, so use my discount code Majik, M-A-J-I-K. Some cute tan heels to go ahead and go with it. I think these are super cute. And I'm just wearing my little go-to black gold chain purse. And this outfit is actually shorts, as you can see. If you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you comment down below and let me know, and I'll continue to make them. I'm gonna make them regardless, but just let me know if y'all like them. And I'll do some more get ready with me videos, some more story time videos. If you guys have some like topics or something you want me to touch on, I'll be sure to include that in my videos. And go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. And check the discount code that I have down below for these Dossier fragrances, which I love, which I'm about to drench myself in right now. It's currently 5:33, so I am on time. So I'm literally about to walk out the house.